In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to unmute emails in Gmail. Alright, so the first thing I'm going to do is open Gmail. I'm just heading into Gmail in my browser, and once the page loads, I can see the usual inbox layout with my emails listed in the center and the folders on the left side. This is the main dashboard where Gmail organizes all of your messages. Now from here, I want to make sure I'm in the mail section so I can access all the folders and messages. So I'm going to click on mail. Once that opens, I can see the familiar list of email folders over on the left hand side of the screen. At this point, I'm going to look down the sidebar because some folders are hidden until you expand the menu. So I'm scrolling a little bit down the left side and looking for the option labeled more. When I find it, I'm going to click on more to expand the additional folders. As soon as I click more, Gmail reveals more folder options that aren't shown by default. This gives access to areas like all mail and some other system folders that Gmail keeps behind that expanded section. Now that the menu is expanded, I'm going to look for the folder called all mail. This folder shows every email in the account, including archived and muted conversations. So I'm clicking on all mail. Once that opens, the center of the screen refreshes, and now I can see a full list of messages from across the account. This includes emails that may not be visible in the inbox anymore, including conversations that were muted earlier. At this point, I'm scrolling through the list to locate the muted email that I want to bring back into normal activity. I'm just moving through the messages here until I find the specific conversation that was muted. Once I see the email I'm looking for, I'm going to select it. I'm moving my cursor over the email and highlighting it so it's clearly selected. Now that the email is selected, I'm going to right click on it. So I'm placing the cursor right on top of the message and doing a right click. As soon as I right click, a menu appears with several actions that can be performed on that email. This menu includes options like moving messages, labeling them, and other email management tools. From that menu, I'm going to look for the option labeled unmute. I see the unmute option here, so I'm going to click on it. Once I click unmute, Gmail immediately removes the mute status from that conversation. That means the email thread will now behave like a normal conversation again, and any new replies in that thread will appear back in the inbox instead of staying hidden. So the conversation is no longer muted, and Gmail will now notify you about new messages in that thread just like any other email. So just to quickly go over what we did while everything is still on the screen, we opened Gmail, clicked on mail, expanded the sidebar by clicking more, selected the all mail folder, found the muted email, right clicked on it, and then clicked unmute. Once that's done, the conversation is active again, and Gmail will treat it like a regular email thread going forward. And that's all there is to it. That's how you unmute emails in Gmail.